Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. Thank goodness the weather's picked up and I've been able to get on outside and get my new shed built. Well, it's sort of a shed extension. I've joined two sheds together. I've got a nice covered in area where I can do a bit of blacksmithing, and I'm going to start doing a bit of casting again. I asked the wife Deborah what colour she would like us to paint the new shed, and she come up with a gem. She says, John, can you paint it invisible? But really she does sort of support us in what I'm doing. So on Wednesday, catch up, I'll go up there and show you what's been going on with the sort of construction work. Tonight's nightcap, I do a little rebuild or a refurbish on a traction engine water gauge valve. It's 100 and odd year old, it's really badly worn. It's actually a 3-part video. It's been on paper as a 3-part video, so I might do 3 nightcaps just to sort of split it up. I don't like putting videos up longer than sort of 15 minutes because people just don't watch them. As simple as that. This is the bottom water gauge valve of a steam traction engine. It's a dirty water gauge valve as well. It's probably one of the scruffiest things I've ever had to work on. The problem it's got is it's leaking past that valve there, isn't shutting off properly. So it'll need stripping, cleaning, and the packing in there it'll want changing. This is sort of hard oil, coal dust, the sort of shite you get on traction engines. So before I even touch it, I'm going to put it into a big bucket of kerosene and let it soak for a couple of hours so we can scrape all this muck off. Wire wheel it, get it nice and clean, nice clean start, and then we'll strip it and repack it. I did the top valve earlier on this year, and now we want the bottom valve done. That's just straightforward kerosene in there. It really is a good degreaser. It'll soak in and soften all that horrible carbon up. I've cleaned the valve up. It's soaked in kerosene overnight, and then a nice wire brush, and then a wire brush and a drill. It's got the sort of condition where I want to work on it. This is the gland nut. It pushes the packing down into the valve. It seals it. I say I have done one of these valves before. A straightforward plug valve in there, but it's not tapered. It's a parallel valve. The packing actually doesn't look too bad compared to the last one. We'll dig the packing out and then hopefully the valve will pull out. I'll get a nice pick just to go in there to try and tease it out. It's possible that this packing has got asbestos in it. It's unlikely, but it is possible, so we'll just dampen it down a little bit so we'll get no dust off it. It doesn't look like asbestos. Packing's really hard. It's lost all its sort of lubricating qualities. I'll be going to use a modern packing, graphite impregnated. Come on, you bastard, you. Right, that's the valve. Inside the body of the valve has 4 slots. There's one there, there and there, and they're filled with the packing. You can see the packing in there. And that's what seals on the sides of that plug valve. I'm going to dig all that out and renew it with some nice new fresh packing. It's really, it's just gone hard. It's been in there for years. Just carefully tease it all out. Quite a time consuming job. These are a really good valve. Once they're packed, set up, adjusted, then they get hot, and you put a bit more packing in the top, tighten them down. They last for years and years without any maintenance at all. There's no quick way of doing this, no, not that I know of anyway. Put as much packing down those 4 slots as we can. So now we'll put a piece of packing around there. We'll use a nut to push that down into place. This forces the packing down the sides. We're putting that turn on, that's what they're called turns. Put the joint at the other side, but it doesn't really matter because it all sort of amalgamates itself together anyway. Amalgamate's not a bad word for a Friday morning. I've got a little adapter here I made to test the last one with. It goes on there. Right, that should do. We'll get the pump and see what happens. Now we need to do it that way really so all the air comes to the top. I want water on there, no air. Once you start getting water out of there, you know there's no air left in it. Put some pressure on it. It's still whipping by. It's going to take a little bit to get this settled in. Getting better. It's still leaking, but it is getting better. A little bit allowable, but not that much. Oh, it's definitely getting better, but not better enough.